these hats are it's in right now. Wait. Okay.
Jaman never say him a saint yet. He is one of the artists. He's one of the artists that has come out right and talk about all the stuff that he has done and actually changed his life and showed it.
Color wheel and this and that, but I believe it was orange. I can't really remember. Ooh, excuse me. Excuse me. Wow. Okay.
So that's Bronze Glow. Ooh, excuse me, guys. I think I'm coming down with a cold, unfortunately. This one is in Mauve Glow. I'll swatch this one too. Ooh, sorry, guys.
Excuse me. Something odd about me. Okay.
But you already know this, but listen, check this out. I've been going all day, you've been going all day, I've been handling some things for you, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just get straight to it, because one thing about me, I'm gonna get straight to it. That's all I do. Bless you. I got a surprise for you, but something like a surprise, but not.
I just need dab. So
It's cold, man. It's 37. Not that bad, actually. I shouldn't sneeze in my hand. I need to get my... But,
magnetic, the lid, so I like that also. Excuse me. André, só.
Uma jaqueta. Cara, eu nunca tinha... Foi mal. Então.
Excuse me. Holy cow.
I'm gonna sneeze. I feel like I'm coming down something. Excuse me. I think it...
Oh. Yep, I'm right.
Bellissimo, giorno, bellissimo, giorno.
No, we gotta like back up for that so you can see the hands go make. Why do you have a dirt?
God bless you.
Thank you.
That would go around the necks of the cows and it would keep them next to each other.
Take the history test.
No, no. All right.
Washington. I can't breathe. I fixed. Hold on, I'm gonna sneeze again. Told you. I fixed
Up. This is a crochet swimsuit. Ooh. Ooh. All of these swimsuits are really dusty. It's like making me sneeze. I'm so sorry. It's a little see-through.
здесь и сейчас. Нужно каждый день делать маленькие шажки для своего будущего.
И пока вы будете этой зимой лететь в Ой, будьте здоровы. Must-have этой зимы еще какой-нибудь спрей в нос.
Oh, I obviously kind of ruined the concept of...
Justin.
Before we leave the store, I just have to point out that there's... One second. Thank you, everybody. Alright, so I want to point out that there's a Rainbow Man.
Hi guys, and this is vlog number 2. Hold on, I'm about to sneeze. Okay, oh god, ew, that was nasty. Happy Saturday!
Фирму, ну, в данном случае в Украине, они хотят переехать сюда. Человек сам по образованию, по опыту бухгалтер. А он говорит...
Я так держал.
Ничего, все нормально, так да.
Maybe 8 o'clock. Let's wake up and let's make my bed, because that is still the first thing I do every morning. Allergies are always very bad in the morning. Oh, bless me. I do not have to wear a uniform, which means I will most likely wear a dress because I like wearing dresses. Mom got rid of my most favoriteest dress.
Turned around. Anyway, and then I have to sneeze. Thank you. Bless me, sorry. And then 2 little skater boys were pretty much racing us. They wanted to beat us, and they did, because they're on wheels and we have just feet. And then this, like, literally, bless me, sorry. What would you call that?
700 euro te non ti puoi permettere di mandarmi una cosa rotta e poi non rispondermi alle mail. Comunque, aspettate. Scusate. Aiuto. Dopo questa mi posso andare a seppellire.